Corporate world is changing fast. Most leaders are using a map from 20 years ago. That's a trap. I'm Jeff Midland, and I've architected $100 million programs in big tech and hired thousands of people along the way. I've seen the view from the top and have a vision of what comes next. The old rules for success are currently being replaced, and I am on a mission to build 1 million architects who are prepared to thrive in the future of work. I'm teaching high-performance professionals how to lead in a world that's run by AI. That's why I started the Unlock Professional. Our podcast hosts experts who are actually winning. We share the best ways to position yourself for the future and show you how to use AI as your silent partner. This gives you your time back so you can focus on big moves and high-level strategy. In the future, you'll either manage the robots or be replaced by them. And I'm here to make sure that you're the one running the show. The future belongs to the people who build it today. Let's make your career bulletproof. All the show details and the rules you need are right here on the site. Let's unlock the future together.